My buddy Simon dropped off his bike, WR250F. The carb needs to be rebuilt. Last time the bike was just pouring out gasoline just by sitting. And then when it was running, if I remember correctly, the valve train was pretty noisy. This header is pretty in rough shape. I wonder if my man was doing hard enduro with this. I'm gonna start by washing the bike really quick. We got some nice warp radiator action here. But to me that's badass because it's not leaking. And these bikes, man, they're so reliable. These Yamahas, I used to have a 05 YZ250F. That thing was a dog. Quick tip, these Phillips, a lot of times they want to strip. The trick is, with cutters, you just grab that sucker and you twist it like that. Missing bolt on the muffler, but no biggie. I'm a mechanic.
What is your gender? I'm a mechanic. Mechanic.
That's tight, man. It doesn't want to go in. Open up our goodie bag. What a difference. Alright guys, finally done. Came out pretty good, at least compared to what it was before. Looking a lot better, more fresh. Alright, I gotta clean up the garage here and go edit the videos, and you'll see me in the next one. For some reason, the new plastics, this part wasn't made like back enough to align with the bolt hole. I don't know for what reason. So I had to use a zip tie to make it work. The other bolts I lined up, but I don't know, for some weird reason, it's just this one that we had an issue with.